Spending too much on online ads and not really sure if you're putting your money in the right places? Well, it doesn't have to be this way. I'll show you how you can measure the right way and easily uncover fraud at the same time. You probably don't know how much money you're wasting on online advertising. You see, many years ago, I signed up with a popular affiliate partnership website. At first, it looked like the affiliate program was working. According to the website, I was getting lots of orders and paying lots of commissions. But I wasn't noticing an increase in orders. I wasn't making any more money than I was before the affiliate program. And the more research I did, I couldn't find how the affiliates were finding the new customers that were claiming were ordering from me. Basically, I was being scammed. So I turned the campaign off and my orders didn't decrease. This exact same scam is still going on today. We all want to spend our advertising dollars in the right places, and especially those places where we get the best results. This is especially common with social media, retargeting ad services, affiliate programs. They all offer you their analytics tools to help you measure success. But this leads to double counting and gives credit to advertising methods incorrectly. So, here's a pro tip. Use one single source of the truth, like Google Analytics or Adobe Analytics, to more accurately measure your success. There it is. Use this tip, use one source of the truth, then you'll know exactly what's working and what's not. Then you'll know where to focus your advertising dollars. If you want to double your revenue the easy way, then click to see this video where I help you make some small changes to your website that will have some major results.